Kink. Kinks are often considered weird, dirty, or straight up wrong, but having a kink is completely normal. A kink is any non-conventional sexual interest. What is considered a kink is dependent on the perceived cultural standards of sex. For example, if wearing a hat during sex is a societal norm, having no hat sex would be kinky. A fetish is a type of kink that is necessary for a person's sexual gratification. So a hat fetish means a person isn't satisfied sexually without wearing a hat. One of the most common kinks is BDSM, which is any sexual activity that includes bondage, discipline, submission and domination, or masochism and sadism. Sexual activity involving a kink or fetish must always be consensual. Also, it's never acceptable to fetishize children, race, ethnicity, or disability. So next time, remember, kink is just a word.